The battery fuse requires replacement soon warning indicates a potential issue with your Tesla's high voltage battery fuse, a critical safety component that protects the battery pack from electrical faults like overcurrent or short circuits. If the fuse detects an anomaly, it disconnects the power to prevent fires or loss of propulsion. The primary causes include manufacturing defects, corrosion from environmental exposure, especially in humid climates, thermal stress from frequent charging and discharging, and wear on solder joints within the fuse module. This fuse is integral to the battery pack and part of the 12-volt auxiliary system. Affected vehicles are primarily older Model S and Model X units from before 2019, although some Model Y vehicles have also been affected. The warning typically appears on your Tesla's touchscreen or via the Tesla app. Ignoring this warning can lead to reduced performance or, in severe cases, an inability to start the vehicle. If you encounter this message, it's crucial to schedule a service appointment immediately. Tesla's standard fix for the battery fuse warning involves a service center replacing the entire battery fuse module and, in rare cases, the complete battery pack. For vehicles under warranty, this replacement is free. Check your vehicle's eligibility on Tesla's website or app using your VIN. The repair typically takes 1 to 3 days, depending on parts availability. Tesla has addressed this through service campaigns and software updates, such as versions 2024.45 and 2025.10, that improve diagnostics and provide earlier warnings. To prevent this issue, avoid extreme temperatures during charging and ensure your Tesla's software is always up to date, as these updates recalibrate the fuse's monitoring system. Tesla is moving towards more robust battery technologies, with self-healing fuses in future models like the Cybertruck and refreshed Model S, potentially eliminating traditional fuse failures altogether. If you own a pre-2019 Model S or X, consider annual diagnostics to proactively monitor the fuse's health.